Welcome to the Movable Home, where innovation meets adventure. Today, we unveil a masterpiece that redefines travel. The 2026 Tesla-inspired luxury motorhome, a futuristic beast designed for those who dream without limits. With its sleek aerodynamic silhouette, finished in mirror black gloss, this machine looks less like a vehicle and more like a spaceship crafted for Earth's highways. Every curve, every contour is shaped by precision engineering, where performance meets perfection. Up front, a minimalist front fascia with full-width LED lighting signals the next evolution of mobility. The lighting isn't just for style. It's adaptive, intelligent, and efficient. Step inside, and you enter a world of silent luxury. Automatic doors glide open to reveal a futuristic living space. Smart glass windows, a voice-controlled dashboard, and sustainable interiors crafted with recycled materials. From the ergonomic driver's cockpit to the fully equipped kitchen, every inch of this home on wheels is designed for off-grid living. Solar-powered panels charge the advanced battery system, offering up to 1,000 kilometers of electric range. At night, ambient lighting transforms the cabin into a dreamscape. This is not just a vehicle, it's your personal sanctuary, your studio, your home, wherever the road may lead. The 2026 Tesla-inspired motorhome, crafted for the explorers of tomorrow. Luxury, power, freedom, all in one movable masterpiece.